On Sunday, May 19th, I took an all-day tour with a group of 8 in a van, visiting chateaus in the Bordeaux-Médoc region. Some stops included full tours, others only offered tastings, and a few we visited just to admire the architecture. We had lunch at a restaurant in Pauillac.
And as I told you, the present owners live half of the year in New Caledonia, the other half in family houses in Bordeaux. So we use the house quite often to organize small. This solid parts will go to the top of the tank to make the cap. And you know, it's for the red grapes, the color is in the skin. So just like when you make oatmeal, because it's porous, so again, there's some oxygen which will pass through, which will let the wine clean up. But the second consequence of leaving the wine a year and a half in the barrel is that it will get older. The new system, just like the bottling, we had to free some space to you know, it's like playing dice and having things come out all the time. And 16 was one of the top vintages. And we very often compare it with the 2010.
The Chateau Margaux estate has been occupied since at least the 12th century. In 1787, Thomas Jefferson visited Bordeaux and declared Chateau Margaux one of the 4 vineyards of first quality. The estate last changed ownership in 1976 when it was acquired by a finance group led by Greek entrepreneur André Mentzopoulos, and it remains in his family today. As I understand, we are at Chateau Margaux, but unless you are royalty or a lord, you don't get in.
Yeah. The father, the grandfather was French. Yes, we can enter.
We can go. Run, run.
You know my reputation precedes me.
This is my other house. Can you imagine? And nobody live inside. It's AXA Millésime, the owner of this chateau. It's an insurance. Alors, the Comtesse used to live there before COVID, and now I think she's in Bordeaux because she's still alive. Huh? But now the chateau is totally closed. Voilà.
So it's now empty?
Now it's a little bit empty. It's a shame, huh? Yes. Amazing buildings, but empty.
But goth or
they've got some auctions.
Dracula to me.
Yes, it's true. And voila, Dracula, Ghost, things like that.
This was a surprise, in my opinion. This is the best wine of the entire tour. Right here, 23 for the best, and this 10-year-old one is almost as good.
Suggestion.
Yeah.
Maybe if they catch you with more, I guess they'll just
Take for themselves.
Today is the day I get to touch what? A real French chateau from the 1800s. And I will rush out here so you can see where I'm at. And the grand entrance, of course, and circle around. I think the van is waiting for me. Okay, au revoir.